I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in on Skype. For that, first of all, open up your Skype app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on Sign In or Create. Enter your phone number or your email address and then tap on Next when you're done. After that, enter your password and then tap on Sign In. Choose a theme according to your preference, and when you're done, tap on Continue, which is at the bottom of your screen. This way you can log in on Skype. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.